A while ago, I went to a massager review phase. Today, we're going to revisit the electric Shiatsu back massager and compare it to my DIY tennis ball massager that I made just now. Which one is more comfortable and which one is more effective? Keep watching to find out. The electric Shiatsu back massager is very easy to use, feels very comfortable, and really digs in to the muscles. I will rate it 5 out of 5. The only downside is to use it for your back, you must push your arms forward. If you have any arm or shoulder problems, it will be a pain to use. The tennis ball massager is also very easy to use, feels also very comfortable and digs into the muscles very well. In terms of pressure, it doesn't go in as far as the electric massager when used in the upright position. However, if you can tolerate using this tennis ball massager lying down on your back on the floor, it really digs in. Definitely it's a little harder to control in this position because all your weight is on these balls. But in terms of ease of use and effectiveness, I would still give it 5 out of 5 as well. The downside is that if you have trouble standing, you will have a hard time pushing the tennis ball with your back into the wall. Each of these two massagers have their own pros and cons, so it's very hard to compare the two in terms of ease of use. If you have arm problems, the tennis balls are probably better for you. If you have leg problems, the electric massager is probably better for you. If your arms and legs are both great, but you can't afford an electric massager, the tennis ball is a very good alternative for massaging your back muscles. If you've made this far into the video, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, hit a dislike. And let me know in the comments below how I can improve. See you in the next one.